Today, we're starting at exit 7 Gwanghwamun Station. This is Central Seoul Modern Towers everywhere. And this is Admiral Yi Sun-sin, a national hero. Today, we'll walk from Admiral Yi Sun-sin's statue to the front gate of Gyeongbokgung Palace. On the left is the Sejong Center for the Performing Arts. Concerts, theatre, and exhibitions happen here all year. Keep Walking with Me Gwanghwamun is just ahead. Gwanghwamun isn't just a square. It's Seoul's symbolic stage history in front, modern life all around. That's why even global moments happen here. BTS is set to hold a comeback live at this square in March 2026. Up ahead, you can see the statue of King Sejong. We're walking straight toward it now. He's the king who created Hangul, the Korean alphabet. In a moment, you'll see why this spot matters so much. This is the heart of Gwanghwamun. Right, in front of King Sejong, you can see traditional scientific instruments. A rain gauge, an armillary sphere, and a sundial. They show how advanced science was in the Joseon era.
왜 뭐가 내려 있어요?
이거 나와서 좀 떠드는 줄 알았더니 없네 오늘.
Right next to the statue is an exhibition space called Sejong Story. Let's go inside for a quick look. This place is called Sejong Story. It's a small museum space that explains King Sejong in Hangul. Even if you don't speak Korean, the visuals make it easy to follow. You'll see how Hangul was designed simple, logical, and made for everyone. There are panels and displays about why a new alphabet mattered. It's not just language. This story is about people being able to read and write. You can also spot exhibits about science and innovation in the Joseon era. It connects perfectly with what we saw outside those instruments in front of the statue. I like places like this, quiet, clear, and surprisingly educational. If you're visiting Gwanghwamun, this is an easy stop for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's head back outside. Next stop, Gwanghwamun Gate, right in front of the palace. Now, we're walking to the front of Gyeongbokgung Palace. On the right, there's a huge media screen. And look, there's a puppy video playing, only Seoul royal history in front, and modern city life on the side. This is the perfect ending point for today's walk. Thanks for walking. With me, see you in the next video.